Hey guys, this is Kinetic Chaos here. My Craftsman. It's got a 19.5 horse Briggs twin. This tractor runs fine. It's just every single time I let off the clutch, it wants to stall. I have the seat switch rigged up. I thought it was a seat switch. That works fine. Anyone knows what it could be? It'll start right up once I jump start it. I think the battery's dead. I did charge it. Yeah, it's dead. All my tractor batteries are dead. This tractor was been sitting for a couple months. I was getting a new cable for this. The duck clutch cable, whatever. Yeah. It's a 6-speed 42-inch cut. Only things I've done to it since I got it was pull the rear end apart, fix the brakes on it, new brakes things on it, pretty little brake pads. Sandblasted and painted this, but I rushed right at this. I didn't prime it. Just the back plate. Tread's good on it. Craftsman. I think this is a model. What is it? Can't see it. Got paint all over it. It's a 917.270.911. I also rigged the sweet switch up. Instead of plugging out the wires, I just got new bolts, tightened it down so this was pushed in. But then I just put the wire on it because I think that's loose. It got loosened up. But yeah, here's the Craftsman.